Hello and welcome to my first screencast where I will be teaching you about medium.com. So first, what is medium.com? Medium is a publishing platform that is open to the public and home to many diverse stories, ideas, and viewpoints. Anyone with an individual contribution or popular topics to speak about can post on Medium. Founder Ev Williams says Medium is not about who you are or whom you know, but about what you have to say. So anyways, let's get started with Medium. It's kind of a blog site, to say the very least. So first you start to create an account by signing in here or signing up here. You'll create an account. I already have one, so I will sign into that really quick for y'all. And when you sign up, it gives you a different list of sign up options from Google, Facebook to email. Many people would recommend using Facebook because it's a platform with your existing connections who have Medium to automatically follow your account when it is created. And you won't have to create an audience from scratch. So once you create your account, you're going to want to go up to the top right corner here, and you're going to want to click on Profile. This is where you're going to kind of make this personalized. You will add your full name or whatever you go by. You will write a short little bio about yourself up to 160 words, and you can upload a photo of yourself or just kind of about something about the subject you want to talk about. Here you can change your username, you could design your profile here, and things like that. So once you do that, if you want to read Medium content, you can click up at the top left corner here, and there are some recommended stories for you just based off of pop culture, popular things like that. If you want to look up something specific, we can do that right now, and I'll give you an example of what will show up. So I will look up educational technology, and it gives me a list of all of these stories. I will click on this one right here. And let's say I kind of scroll through it. You see that there's pictures, there's different fonts just to show and organize. So you can also interact with these posts if you want to do something in the form of a like, but it's on Medium. You do a clap like this. You can do up to 50 claps per post, or you can create your own response, see others, and react to those as well. You can also share some of your favorites with this button here, and you can put it on multiple different platforms. Now here is where you can save it to your own page. Let's say I did this one right here. We're going to go to our profile again. We're going to look at our library, and it will show a reading list here. It'll show if you have other saves, it can show up here as well. Highlights, which we will get to next. So let me go back to the story. Say you really like something that was typed in here, you can highlight your chosen sentence like this, and these 4 options will come in a pop-up menu. This includes highlight, response, text shot, which will be a tweet that automatically pulls in the text you've highlighted as a screenshot, and private note, which will allow you to send the writer of the story a private note. Now, when it comes to writing and publishing Medium blog posts, it's actually very simple. Some people have it in their profile where it says write a story here. I have it up here where it says write. You can title your story, say EdTech, and you start writing, okay? EdTech is this. You can also add pictures. You can use basic formatting tools like this. You can bold or unbold these things. You can insert embedded links here, and you can also bold, italicize, things like that. I think images are really important in blog posts because it really helps you to engage the readers. You can do that here by clicking the plus button on the side. And you can share your drafts and publish your posts. My button is right here. Some people's it might be here. So let's say I click publish. We will look at some of my other stories. Go to my profile. Oh, that's okay. And this is one I posted about 6 hours ago. As I said, you can share them, and the same are also at the bottom when you finish. It shows you who the blog post is written by and their bio as well. So thank y'all for listening, and I hope y'all got what you needed to out of this. Thanks.